Iron ore begins its journey deep inside open-pit mines where workers extract raw rock that will eventually become a razor-sharp blade. The ore is crushed into small pieces before workers send it to powerful grinders. These fine iron particles are heated in massive furnaces until they transform into molten metal. Long steel slabs are rolled again and again until they become extremely thin sheets. These thin steel sheets are then cut into small strips that will form razor blades. Each strip is stamped into the shape of a razor and then ground to create a perfect edge. The blades undergo a final polishing and coating process to make them smooth and skin-safe. Finally, workers assemble multiple blades into cartridges, pack them, and prepare them for stores worldwide. If you enjoy interesting factory content, don't forget to subscribe.